Okay. Say Happy Easter.
Happy Easter. Mm. Mommy?
My name is Daddy. Now look at the rest of your basket. Here, put those up here. We'll eat more later. Yeah, more cards.
More candy? Wow.
Hey, that's for later, though. Uh-oh. Here, I'll put them on you.
No.
No? Okay, I'll set them over here. No. A shaky egg.
A metal eggy.
Nice. Do you think it'd be okay if Andy played with those too?
Sure. I have this one. And Ellie has this one.
You like that one because it's pink, huh?
Yeah, I have pink.
The pink. Oh, they both have pink on them. And, okay.
I'm doing more candy. I want to eat more candy.
What do you say?